Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering exactly what you need: cameras, clips, and a mood. Import 1080p or 4K footage into your editor and set timeline to 24-30 FPS. Once done, apply a dark neutral base, deep charcoal, so highlights read well. Make sure to choose 1-2 accent colors for emphasis and confirm your music sits at 60-80 BPM so speech will land. Start rough cutting key motivational moments now. Don't polish yet, you're mapping story beats and pacing. Now you sculpt tone and timing. Grade clips to darken the frame, lift select shadows slightly, and preserve mid-tone skin detail so emotion reads. Once graded, place motivational lines in 3 6-second beats, stagger text in with 0.5 fades to maintain rhythm. Make sure music ducks under voice with -6 to -10 dB sidechain, and add a touch of reverb to glue ambience. Use slow push-ins and 16:9 composition to emphasize focus. This keeps pacing cinematic and motivational without shouting. You're at final polish. Apply gentle noise reduction, add 0.20.5 sharpen and render in H.264 or H.265 at 1020 Mbps for balance. Once exported, test on 2 displays and at 50% brightness to confirm legibility and contrast. If audio pops or sync drifts, reconform the audio track and re-export stems. If blacks look washed, slightly increase contrast and re-export a short clip to check. Remember, a single troubleshooting pass prevents upload rework. Act on issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.